Nothing where person no go see inside this Nigeria where we dey. One aboki kokoro in something, we hear say the thing don't disappear. The thing don't go for vanish. Hey, things they happen. Sure, inside this Nigeria where we dey, I don't know say magic don't they work. But as we gather, this Okada man talk say, he carry one passenger from Ifako area inside Lagos State. Before he go see this man touch him, and so the thing just disappear. I beg, make I not to talk too much, make na use na eye, see for una self.
Aboki, where the person enter? Now small boy have been a big man.
Where you carry am? Where you carry am?
Go and find your go to chop. Go and find that your go to chop. And then go come back.
Hey, this is a shock. How do you carry person pennies for you? Hey, for this Lagos. Hey.
Hey, see man precious too. Now I don't decide. Hey, how this man want to explain, give him wife and him girlfriend. So you know if you do again, say the place don't dey. In fact, I for even say make this man open this thing, but it go be like say me self I just want look. Because I for say make I prove this kind thing, make I dey tell people why they tell, make I prove and say true this place don't dry. Because I dey hear this thing, say this thing they happen. In fact, I don't see reach for my eye. When we say person who I know, they carry in kokoro, the thing disappear. Before we go see at least this one, they catch the person. But by the time when the person go give him in kokoro back, this boy say, the one where they give him the thing big person, a big person body. Say no be your own be that, but at least you know say this your own way again. You go use and help girls for future purpose. But this one now we say they no see the thing. I want to do. And I hear person where they advise and say, wrong go church or wrong go church. They wear the map 7 pass, they don't even know. So I beg how this one won't find this person rich. The best advice they give you, don't give you. So enter church, go pray. Where they go pray, where this thing go come back because I know as you want to do. People they talk saying this thing no. In fact, juju they work for those of them we don't know. People where they worship God, they worship God in truth and in faith. People where they worship juju self, they worship and wholeheartedly. They carry and like saying their own God. So forget all this kind of things. It dey happen well for Lagos. This one na just update for Lagosians and everybody. Say gboko, abi na gboko, they don't come outside. People when they thief prick, they don't come outside. Make na dey careful, men. No be say go just dey waka anyhow. Before you go see that thing don't come out. And we don't know before you go to explain for your girlfriends, somebody you know say girls, they feel no believe you say na person carry this kind. Make people they dey careful out there. Because this one people go just they miss anyhow. I no come dey understand Nigeria again. This one I no go talk say na Buhari cause am. Una listen na the person. Human being. You carry passenger. Why no go do it for your own family member? Abi you use your own thing, make the thing vanish. Another person, innocent aboki when they doing business, jeje. I even dey pity the man ain't gonna carry phone. I beg who you won't call. Now your family member you won't call say your break this. Abi who you won't call. Because I don't know who you want call for this whole matter. In fact, just go in if you be Muslim, enter mosque, go meet your Afa. Make your Afa do something. Abi anywhere where you want go do and sharp. Because me, I don't know how I want find this your thing go. If you tell me, say, make I go, I don't know where I want find a bookie something go. My people are going to watch. If I know where and I want help this man find this thing, making a help and find them. I hear this one, I can make I bring and come inside, making myself using that ear. Hear what thing they happen. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video.